How do cutting-edge fintech companies like Tide navigate the complex minefield of risk, regulation, and fraud while still offering fast, innovative services to small businesses? It's a huge challenge. In the world of business finance, speed and convenience are essential, but so is security and compliance. Financial services are highly regulated to protect customers, and fraudsters are always finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities. So, how does a platform like Tide manage to balance innovation with robust security? Real-time fraud detection. At its core, Tide uses machine learning, ML, models to screen transactions and account activity in real time. This isn't static. They use a rich dataset, including transactional, behavioral, and third-party data, to predict the likelihood of fraud in seconds. This system is constantly learning from past incidents to identify and flag suspicious activity, allowing them to intervene or block payments before a loss occurs. For example, they might look at whether a transaction is outside a member's typical spending pattern or if it relates to known fraudulent networks. Numberless cards. A physical, yet highly effective, defense is the introduction of numberless business cards. By removing the printed card number, expiry date, and security code from the card itself, Tide instantly eliminates a major avenue for card not present, CNP, fraud if the card is lost, stolen, or shoulder surfed. All sensitive card details are stored securely within the app, shifting the risk away from the physical plastic. Member education and support. Tide also recognizes that a primary defense is an educated user. They have dedicated resources for educating their members on how to spot common scams like impersonation and authorized push payment app fraud. Crucially, they also provide a 24/7 fraud rapid response team and use the 159 number, a UK service, to connect users directly with their fraud support, ensuring immediate assistance when a scam is suspected. Upholding regulation and managing risk. Compliance and risk management at Tide follow a strict framework to meet regulatory standards, especially those set by bodies like the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. Tide operates with a comprehensive risk and compliance team that functions as the second line of defense. This team oversees all risk classes, including financial crime, conduct, and operational risk. They define the company's risk appetite and ensure strong internal controls are in place. This includes processes like automated account approval, using ML models for real-time risk assessments during new customer onboarding, accelerating approvals for legitimate businesses while flagging high-risk applications for manual review. Ongoing monitoring, continuously assessing financial crime risk for members even after they've been on board, using a richer set of data points to ensure compliance throughout the member lifecycle. Policy and procedure, developing and maintaining detailed, compliant policies across all financial and operational areas, which are regularly reviewed to keep up with evolving regulations. Instead of viewing compliance as a blocker, Tide integrates it directly into product development. By having the risk team work closely with engineers, they ensure that new products and features are designed to be compliant from the start, avoiding costly retrospective fixes and maintaining operational integrity. This proactive approach is key to scaling globally while adhering to different national and international financial regulations. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.